We've all been told, or we've all heard that, actions speak louder than words. And when it comes to first-time acquaintances or for those neighbors that first, they move in, that's probably true. That, you got to watch what they do, because anybody can say whatever they need to say to get in good with you. So actions do speak louder than words. But when it comes to our more intimate relationships, family relationships, the people that we would consider our best friends or our inner circle, the words and actions, I don't know. I don't know that they speak louder. I mean, it's tough. I mean, it's like they're right there neck and neck with each other, because words are so powerful. The more intimate the relationship, the louder or perhaps the weightier those words become, the greater their capacity, their words, to leave a mark for good or for bad, to build, destroy, encourage, discourage, inspire, or actually wound. Words in those relationships are powerful, and to underscore just how powerful words are in those, those closer relationships, even, this is amazing to me, even words left unsaid, unsaid words, this is amazing, unsaid words, unsaid phrases have the potential to impact the trajectory of a person's life. But here's the thing, and here's where we take kind of a hard right turn. Nobody would argue with that, right? I mean, we're all quick to recognize the power that other people's words have had over us and on our lives. But we're often slow to recognize, and I think this is part of the problem, we're often slow to admit the fact that our words have equal power in the lives of other people. I mean, because, we've been impacted by other people's words, but when it comes to you, it's like, no, that's just me. I'm just me. These are just words. I mean, my words are just words. They're all equally weighted. They don't even weigh that much. And nothing could be further from the truth. And consequently, we use our words irresponsibly, not on purpose, but because we just don't understand or realize or recognize or embrace the fact that words carry weight, and your words carry weight, and more weight than you may think, in specific relationships. And the fact that words have the potential to destroy as well as build, and undermine as well as inspire, that should impact all of us, and all of us should take that into consideration. The truth is, and I'm judging you a little bit, but I'm judging myself as well, most of us, maybe you're the exception, most of us are more dialed into what we need to say than what others need to hear. Sometimes we hesitate, if we're honest, sometimes we hesitate to say what they need to hear. Sometimes we hesitate to say what they need to hear because it's uncomfortable for us, and all of a sudden it's about us again. Sometimes we're uncomfortable saying what needs to be said because we don't want to alienate them, because we'll miss them, and again, it's back to us. Or we fear their rejection, and all of a sudden it's back to us. And before long, we're back to tailoring our words to what suits us and our need in the moment. I select my words with me in mind. This is why, listen. This is why this is baked into following Jesus, because Christianity is an others-first life orientation. Christianity is an others-first life orientation, which means everything about my life. And again, it is so easy to stand up here and say this with a microphone, okay? But whether it's easy for me or not, or whether I do it well or not all the time, the truth is Christianity is an others-first orientation, which means I have to choose my words with the needs of other people over my needs to say things and what I want to hear me say and what I want to walk away thinking, oh, well, I finally told them. And before long, if we're not careful, it's all about us. It's all about me. It's all about you. I select my words with me in mind. I say what's most helpful to me according to my needs, which is fine if I care more about me than I care about you. Which is fine if you care more about you than you care about the person on the other side of you. Which means when it comes to the words we choose, intent is as important as content. Because it is difficult to receive difficult words if we don't trust the other person's intention. It is difficult to receive negative words or words we don't want to hear if we suspect someone's intent. But when we know they really have our best interest in mind, we can receive them. And the same is true for you. When you've been able to communicate to the person on the other side of you, I really have your best interest in mind, and they are sure of that, of course, they're receptive. And as Jesus followers, because we have been called to be in one another's lives and to encourage one another daily, it's so important for us to get this right. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you check out the links on your screen for what to watch next, and check out the description below, where we are going to provide you with free resources designed to help you make better decisions and live with fewer regrets. And again, thanks for watching.